Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon at the Castle Shannon Library. Today we are making gingerbread cookies for your doll. And they're really easy to make. We're also going to have making cake kits available for this project. So, if you don't have some of this stuff at home and you'd like to come get a kit, we have them available. So all you have to do for this, you need brown or tan craft foam. You need a marker or something to draw your shape. You can see on the back I did it in Sharpie, but I painted my guy on this side. I used puffy paint. In the kits, it's not really easy for me to be able to put puffy paint in your kits. So because of that, I also, in the kits, I gave you gems and ribbon to decorate. So you can decorate with gems and ribbon, you can do paint, you can color right on them if you want to. The Sharpie came off a little bit, it smeared. You can see that it smeared on there. So I don't know if I would recommend using Sharpies, but you could if you really wanted to. And you can even see that the Sharpie's all over me now too. So all you do is you draw or trace a gingerbread man shape onto your foam, cut it out, and then decorate it like you would decorate a real cookie. And you see I put a face and little squigglies and buttons on mine. So you can make one, you can make a couple. I think in your kits, I'm probably going to give you patterns for two. So you can make 2 cookies and enjoy them with your doll. So that's as simple as this. Hopefully you enjoy this fun, easy Christmas craft to do with your American Girl dolls. Have a great day.